Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resize the sidebar in the Opera web browser and pin it, so you can browse the internet while keeping your notes open in the left sidebar. On the left side of Opera, click the Note sidebar icon to open the sidebar. Here, you can write personal notes, meeting notes, or anything else you want to keep handy. To resize the sidebar, move your mouse to the edge of the panel. You'll see a double arrow cursor. Click and hold, then drag to the right to make the sidebar bigger, or drag to the left to make it smaller. If you want the sidebar to stay open all the time, just click the pin icon. Now it's fixed in your Opera browser, and you can browse the internet while keeping your notes visible. When you need more space on your open tab, you can close the sidebar by clicking the Note sidebar icon. Click it again, and it will reopen in pinned mode. And that's it. Now you know how to resize and pin the Note sidebar in the Opera web browser. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.